So what is this? Is that our launch controller? What's the red light mean?
No, stop.
Stop. Safety.
Safety.
Is anybody near our rocket?
No.
Oh, good. Now press this button and hold it down. Now what light? Yellow means caution. We're ready to blast off. Now do that one. Now what light?
Green.
Now what does green mean?
Go.
That's right. When you have the red light on and the yellow light on and the green light, then the rocket will go blast off.
And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, go.
That's right. Want to practice?
Yeah.
So on 2, press this one, and on 1, press this one. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! What's the sound going to be? Is absolutely right. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
What do you have?
What's it?
The launch controller.
Launch controller.
Are you happy with your launch controller?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, blast off!
I love you, Jackson. Okay.
Hey, the red light is on.